hot honey running over curled pepperoni cups, burrata breaking open across the center, pickles scattered over melted cheese, or a pile of fried chicken balanced on top. Some pizza toppings go viral because they make the pizza taste better. Others take off because they look outrageous during the first 3 seconds of a TikTok video. So which toppings improve the flavor, texture, and structure of the pizza, and which ones are built for the camera? Subscribe, because we are putting every viral topping through the same test: flavor, texture, structure, and marketing. Most viral toppings succeed by using one of 5 systems. Some create a dramatic stretch through melted cheese. Others drip, melt, or shine, making the pizza appear richer than it really tastes. Some bring a loud crunch, while others deliver a sharp burst of heat or acidity. Then there are toppings that make the pizza feel luxurious simply because the ingredients look expensive. These pizzas may seem completely different, but underneath they are often pulling the same 5 levers: movement, contrast, texture, intensity, and status. And one of the clearest examples begins with a pepperoni pizza. Cup-and-char pepperoni works because the oven changes both its shape and its texture. As the slices heat up, the edges curl upwards, forming small cups that collect rendered fat while the raised rims darken and turn crisp. That gives each bite salty meat, smoky edges, and a richer center. Then, hot honey adds another layer. Its sweetness softens the pepperoni's saltiness, while a gentle chilly heat keeps the honey from tasting flat or overly sugary. It may look like a social media stunt, but the combination follows real flavor logic. Fat, salt, sweetness, heat, smoke, and crunch all working together. The next topping, however, depends much more on one dramatic moment. Burrata goes viral for one obvious reason: the moment it is cut open. The thin mozzarella shell splits, and the creamy center spreads across the hot pizza, making the whole thing look rich, fresh, and expensive. But the appeal is not purely visual. Cool, soft burrata creates a strong contrast with the hot crust, salty sauce, and firmer melted cheese underneath. Used carefully, it adds creaminess without making every bite feel too heavy. Used carelessly, though, all that moisture can soften the crust and blur the other flavors together. Burrata really can improve a pizza, but only when the portion is controlled. The next topping succeeds by doing the opposite, adding sharpness and crunch. Pickle pizza sounds like a joke until you look at what the pickles are actually doing. Their sharp acidity cuts through melted cheese, oily meat, and creamy sauces, stopping the slice from becoming too heavy. They also add a crisp, juicy bite that breaks up the softness of the crust and cheese. Ranch or garlic sauce often brings extra richness, creating the same kind of contrast that makes fried pickles so satisfying. And because people tend to either love pickles or hate them, the pizza naturally creates arguments, reactions, and shares. The flavor logic is real, but spicy toppings give brands an even faster way to grab attention. Chili crisp and Nashville hot toppings are designed to hit quickly. Capsaicin creates the burning sensation, but the best versions offer much more than raw heat. Chili crisp adds aromatic oil, garlic, toasted spices, and crunchy fragments that make each bite feel deeper and more complex. Nashville hot seasoning often combines chili, fat, salt, and a little sweetness, helping the flavor cling to the cheese and crust. But extreme heat is also perfect for reaction videos and eating challenges. A genuinely good spicy pizza still needs aroma, texture, savory flavor, and balance. Once heat becomes the entire experience, the topping is serving the camera more than the pizza. And some viral pizzas go even further by piling another complete meal on top. Pizzas piled with fried chicken, French fries, macaroni and cheese, or smoked meat all follow the same basic idea. Put one comfort food on top of another. That gives you salt, fat, starch, and crunch in a single bite, while making the pizza look generous and hard to ignore. But the more you add, the harder the structure is to manage. Heavy toppings trap steam, soften the crust, and can turn a slice into something closer to a loaded dinner plate than a handheld pizza. The appeal is real, especially when the textures stay separate, but more food does not always create better balance. Another strategy can raise the price without adding nearly as much weight. Make the topping feel luxurious. Truffle oil, caviar, and edible gold are selling more than flavor. They are also selling status. Truffle oil can bring a strong, earthy aroma, but a little goes a long way, and too much can quickly overpower the sauce, cheese, and crust. Caviar adds saltiness, delicate bursts of texture, and a genuine sense of luxury when it is used carefully. Edible gold plays a different role. It adds almost no flavor, but it instantly makes the pizza look rare, expensive, and highly shareable. That is the hidden trick. People often buy into the premium story before they properly taste the topping. To judge whether it is really worth the price, ignore the name and ask what it actually adds to the pizza. A good pizza topping has to pass 6 simple tests. First is moisture. Watery ingredients can release steam and soften the crust before the slice even reaches your plate. Second is fat, because too much can separate into greasy pools instead of blending with the cheese. Third is acidity, which cuts through richness and keeps a heavy pizza from becoming tiring. Fourth is crunch, giving your teeth a clear contrast against soft dough and melted cheese. Fifth is temperature, since cool burrata or fresh herbs can completely change the way a hot slice feels. And sixth is weight. A topping may taste great on its own, but if it crushes the crust, slides off, or makes the slice impossible to hold, it has failed the pizza. This is where real innovation starts to separate itself from pure marketing. The biggest hidden truth is that some viral pizzas are designed for the first few seconds, not the final few bites. A slow sauce pour, an oversized cheese pull, or a mountain of toppings can look incredible on camera, while hiding a crust that quickly turns soft, greasy, or difficult to hold. Limited time menus make that effect even stronger by adding urgency and the fear of missing out. That does not mean the topping is fake or that the pizza is automatically bad. The real marketing trick is turning one dramatic moment into a promise about the entire eating experience. So the smarter question is not whether the topping looks impressive, it is what the topping actually improves once the camera stops recording. Before ordering a viral pizza, ask 5 simple questions. Does the topping bring a genuinely new flavor? Does it create useful contrast, such as crunch against soft cheese? Will its moisture, fat, or weight damage the crust? Will it still taste good after the first few minutes, once the dramatic moment is over? And are you paying for a better ingredient, or mainly for a better presentation? Viral toppings do not need to be avoided. The best ones work for both the camera and the pizza. Tell us which topping you think is genius, which one feels like marketing, and subscribe for more food secrets explained.